Meaning of indication.
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 Indication. The term indication refers to a sign or signal that suggests or implies a particular action or outcome. It can also refer to evidence or information that helps someone make a decision or determine a course of action. Indications can be physical or abstract and can come from a variety of sources, such as personal experience, scientific research, or expert opinion. In essence, indications provide clues or hints as to what we should expect or do in a given situation. Understanding the indications related to a particular issue or problem can help us make more informed choices and achieve better results.